To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now open the chat where you want to generate and share an AI image. Then tap the paperclip icon located in the message box. A menu will appear where you will see the new update, Imagine. Tap on it. Now type your text prompt describing what you want the AI to generate. As you type your prompt, you will see an image preview. Tap the arrow button to proceed. From here you can create a new image if you are not satisfied with the current one. You can edit your prompt here if you wish to make changes. You will also see an option to animate the generated image. When you are satisfied with everything, tap the send button. Your generated image will then be sent as a GIF. So in this way, you can generate an AI image in a chat on WhatsApp.